The alarming new numbers on COVID cases in this country. For the first time in months, COVID cases nationwide now on the rise. Authorities are pointing to the changing of the seasons, more Americans indoors and near one another. 22 states tonight seeing spikes from Colorado to New Mexico to Michigan. What they're now seeing in the ICUs, and where they're now also seeing the number of vaccinated patients in the hospital ticking up too. Some now calling for boosters for 18 and older immediately. And ABC's Kana Whitworth from Colorado.
Tonight, for the first time in 10 weeks, the country is seeing an overall increase in new COVID cases, fueled by those 22 states seeing a surge in infections.
Our hospitals and ICUs are filling up with patients who are going on ventilators, and many of them die.
Hospital admissions are climbing in 14 states from the Southwest to the East. Detroit seeing their fourth surge.
With people starting to make plans for the holidays to get together, I think it's an important time just to let everyone know that we've got to stay vigilant.
From New Mexico to Colorado, hospitals forced to activate emergency standards of care, some running low on ICU beds.
If your hospital beds are already filling up, you said it's going to look like a battlefield hospital in there very soon.
Yeah. Just this week we did a walkthrough adding curtains between beds in order to add more beds, more ventilators.
Experts believe this new surge is fueled by the unvaccinated, waning immunity from the vaccine, and colder weather as people spend more time indoors. Maddie Akia was unvaccinated when she got COVID. She's now on a machine, struggling to breathe.
It's horrible. Sorry. I just see my wife as this really strong woman, and seeing her so weak and struggling, it's something I wouldn't ever wish upon anybody.
We have to remember the families that are still going through this every day. Kana Whitworth back with us tonight. And Kana, I know we heard from doctors at one hospital in the Detroit area where they're seeing something else. You know, for so long now, we've heard that the patients who are showing up in these hospitals are unvaccinated. But in Detroit, at one hospital, they said up to 30% are actually patients who were fully vaccinated. And a lot of folks are going to say, does that point to the waning of these vaccines? And does it lead into this argument being made that there needs to be boosters?
Well, that's exactly right, David. So what a lot of doctors are saying is that it is possible these patients were vaccinated early and now their immunity is in fact waning. It's also possible that these patients have underlying medical conditions that also compromise their immune system. And that is something that the doctors here in Colorado are echoing. And that's why they've gone around the FDA. They're now encouraging all adults in this state to get their booster shots and to do it now. David?
We know that's what they're seeing in Detroit, there in Colorado, and we await the national picture. We wait for more numbers on all of this. Kana, thank you. Next.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.